Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll share with you a recipe to get back your white teeth. If you're having any other color apart from white, then this remedy is going to work wonders for you. This remedy is going to comprise of coconut oil, turmeric powder, and bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda. These three ingredients combined together is going to help bring back the whiteness to your teeth, and it's going to help give you that beautiful radiant smile. If this is your first time watching this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give this video a huge thumbs up. To my bowl, I'll add half tablespoon of the baking soda, half tablespoon. Also to that I'll add half tablespoon of the turmeric powder, and lastly I'm going to add a tablespoon of the coconut oil. So we'll mix this in. If it's too thick, we'll need to add more coconut oil to this. So we'll add one more tablespoon of the coconut oil. Okay, and this is the consistency we need for this remedy. So our teeth whitening remedy is ready, as you can see. To apply this, you go in with your toothbrush, just like that, and brush your teeth with it. You brush it just the way you usually do, normal way of brushing. After brushing, you allow it to sit on you for 2 minutes. Then you go ahead with your toothpaste and wash it off. That is, if the turmeric, definitely the turmeric powder is going to be left on your tooth. So after brushing with this remedy, you go in with the toothpaste and brush the final brushing, so that you can get rid of the yellowish color from your tooth. And that is it, guys. Remember to brush with your toothpaste and your toothbrush after applying this remedy. So you repeat this remedy twice in a week for 2 to 3 weeks for best results. And share your results, your experience with me in the comment section below. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on this channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up because definitely it was very informative and useful to you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.